Hey guys, so guess what we got? So we're gonna open it up. Babe just bought it from, where did you buy it from? Media Markt, huh? Babe, I can't open this. I can't open it. Mine is not opening like. So he says that we're getting this because it's smaller than the camera that we're currently using now. And therefore, guys, look at this. It's the whole kit. So cool. Because this one is smaller, so we can use it. It comes in a whole bag. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Kit. Ah, guys! Okay. Let me show you properly. It's so cute. It's so tiny. And it's got the screen that flips around. So you can have it in portrait or... Oh, did you see that? It moves around already. Look. Leave Yano alone. Yeah, baby, you wanna see it. And in the kit you also have. Oh, this is a tripod. Is this the tripod stand? You also have the tripod stand. No, this is not the tripod stand, babe.
Akkugriff.
I don't know what this is.
It's written everywhere here. So
It's something.
Here.
And my most favorite thing, yeah, it comes with a mic. So I can put it here. And talk from wherever I am. All of these things. I don't know what these things are. Oh, it's actually written on the box what they are. But there's also... What are all of these things? These are all stands, huh? This is the tripod legs. We're going to test it out this weekend. Got a cute tripod. And a noise cancellation thingy. Guys. Cool. This is for this. So I can put it... I can put it here. For wind, when there's wind, this is good for wind, and for taking out noise like it's got a holder. Comes with a charger, charging cable. Oh, it's got a lens protector. A lens protector for... Come on, lens, come out. So you can put it on. The lens is magnetic. It's magnetic, babe. You don't have to stick it on with anything. It's motion sensing. Yeah, it's sensing. This is our new baby. Gonna figure out what everything is. Ah, this is a wide angle lens. So if it's good for when you're doing like the selfie mode. Okay, perfect. So now we figure out what these other things are. So where's the case? The case is missing. I think the case is in here. Yeah, this is the case. case to put it in. Plus, detecting. Okay, so let's figure out what these things are. Protective cover, carrying bag, clip magnet. Where's the clip magnet? Mic. Okay, there's the mic. One of them is a mic transmitter. Give me. Where are the small ones? Oh, this. This is a mic transmitter. I think so. Battery handle. Oh, babe. Yeah, this is a battery handle. Then this thing's missing, eh? Battery handle. Tripod. Okay, cool. We're gonna figure it out and we'll show you guys how it works, but it comes with the whole bag, which is amazing. So yeah, guys, the next shot you'll be seeing is from this guy. Does it have a thingy? Does it have a memory card inside?
Mm-mm.
So I need to take the memory card from here to put it in. Okay. But you see, it's also got a built-in mic here. It's also got a built-in mic. But what is this for? When mounting, insert the handle into the Osmo without holding. Okay. So these are just mounts. What is this one for? Baby, this is a battery charger. It's for charging. So this is for charging the battery.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. That's it, guys. Give you a review about it once we've used it and we've seen the footage. But the footage is awesome. See you guys later.